to AuthAction channel. Today I'm going to show how to integrate authentication in a VueJS application using AuthAction product. So in the dashboard I have a single page application already created. So I'm going to check how to integrate with VueJS. So here in the quick start it shows some GitHub example and also documentation. This is a sample application to show how to integrate, and then there is a documentation page as well, and then you can also check already some demo I posted in this location. You can check how this works, the auth flow works in a VueJS application. Okay, so I'm going to clone this repo and then follow the steps, and then trying to integrate authentication in VueJS application. So I already cloned this application here. I'm going to check the readme content. What are the steps? Okay, this application used this OIDC client TS package. I'm going to check the package descriptions. So this is used for OpenID Connect flow. Yeah, so there are a lot of people using this one. So in this example, it is using this package to integrate OIDC over to flow. So I'm going to do, I clone the repository, I'm going to do the npm install. Okay, and then I need to configure AuthAction tenant details in the .env file. If I open the .env file, it's already exists, and then it's asking AuthAction tenant domain, client ID, and redirect URI. So this VueJS application runs in 5173 port. So this is /callback is a redirect URI that will be redirected after user is authenticated, and then this one is for after user is logged out. So I need to now get this tenant domain and client ID. So I go to the dashboard, and then I go to the settings of the single page application, and then I have this domain, this tenant domain that is based on tenant name, and then region, and then authAction.com. So I'm replacing the tenant domain and then client ID. So client ID is, you can get it from the settings page, and then I am replacing the client ID. Okay, now everything's set up. I think I can start the application. Before that I can check just want to make sure how to start the application. Okay, for development purpose I'm going to run npm run dev. Okay, the application is started. If I go to this URL, and then I see the VueJS application standard page, and then there is a login button here. So now I'm going to show how this login works. So I'm going to open my developer tool, and then see what are the requests are triggering. Okay, it shows invalid redirect URI. So the redirect URI configured here, but also need to be configured in the application dashboard as well. So currently it's only configured for 4200. So I'm going to copy this one as a callback URL for this application, and also I'm going to configure redirect logout redirect URI, and then I'm saving this configuration, and then I'm going again to the application landing page, and then I'm clicking the login button. Now I see the login page. This is the hosted login page. This application only enabled email password and then Google and GitHub. So you can also enable other social connection as well. Okay, I'm going to for demo purpose I'm going to create one account. So user is logged in, and then call back, redirect to the user dashboard. So here there is auth2 token endpoint that shares redirect URI and one-time code and code verifier and so on. So it will get the ID token and access token. So it's already in the probably somewhere, yeah, here it's that OIDC client.ts package that does this automatically. So it did persisting in the local storage, access token and ID token, and other stuff of the user profile. So if I refresh the page, still the user is logged in, so still the state is maintained. And then if I log out, and then it will be user will be logged out, and then I refresh multiple times, still the we only see the login button. So from the code I can go and see what is how it's developed in the code. Okay, there is an app view. Okay, and then there are services, auth service. Okay, this auth service is using OIDC client.ts package, and then it configuring some authority, client ID. These are all comes from the environment variable, and then scope, and then it is using code grant flow and so on, and also the storage is mentioned here. So where to persist the user information. Currently it's configured as local storage, that's why it's persisting in local storage. And then you can get user information using these methods, and then so they have some SDK method how you can configure login, logout, and so on. Yeah, and then in the component, this is allowed component, and then this is the service. Yeah, here the user detail is fetched, and then it shows the user email address in this template. Okay, so this is the one showing the login and logout. So it's very straightforward. You can easily integrate using this OIDC client.ts package. You can easily integrate authentication in VueJS application. Thanks. Happy coding.